Choosing the right AI orchestration framework can be confusing with so many options available. Here's a concise comparison of three powerful frameworks. Semantic Kernel is Microsoft's open source SDK for .NET, Python, and Java, designed to integrate AI into apps and build intelligent agents. It acts as middleware connecting your code to LLMs, remembers context, runs multi-agent workflows, and supports APIs. Trusted by enterprises, it's modular, swappable between models, and future-proof for voice, vision, and beyond. LangChain is an MIT-licensed open-source framework focused on chaining LLMs with tools, documents, databases, search, and pipelines. It powers chatbots, retrieval-augmented generation, code generation, and more, with a vibrant ecosystem, including LangSmith for monitoring and LangGraph for agent orchestration. It's model-agnostic, flexible, and ideal for developers building scalable, observable LLM-powered apps. AutoGen, also from Microsoft, is Python first and specializes in multi-agent collaboration. It allows prototyping in Node Studio and scaling in code with asynchronous, event-driven workflows. It simplifies complex business logic involving coordinated agents, making it perfect for automated or human-assisted multi-agent systems. Which to choose? Use Semantic Kernel for enterprise-grade integration with built-in memory and API support, LangChain for flexible LLM apps with chainable components and observability, and AutoGen for advanced multi-agent workflows with smooth prototyping to production paths. In short, pick based on whether your focus is enterprise integration, generic LLM apps, or complex agent systems.